AKFX Academy. This is my forex trading and training YouTube channel. Here I am in this live to teach you about the RSI. RSI is a leading indicator which shows us the momentum of the price. I think the sound is not coming well. RSI is a relative strength index indicator which tells us about the momentum of the price and reversals of the price, continuation of the price, and so many other facilities it provides during our trading journey. Now I am telling you about the settings of this uh, amazing indicator. How to insert this indicator? First of all, we will place or tap this upper gold spot underscore or the slash US dollar label. Now you can see here the three dots ahead to the right sides. Now we will tap these three dots. Now there are so many options available. Add alerts on XAU USD, add alert on XAU USD. These are the different price levels. Now the third option we have the add indicator or strategy on XAU USD. We'll press on this option. We will see this screen. Here we will search about this indicator RSI. The first and simple the indicator which I have added it in the favorites. This is the RSI. We have to place this RSI. As we will tap on this RSI label, we will get this indicator on our chart at the bottom side. My RSI indicator is already installed or added at my screen, so I don't need to add it again. Now let's move to our chart. This is our indicator. How to tap or touch this indicator and set its settings and other options. Now we are finding here the 2 number. This is the 2. We are looking. I have two indicators, three indicators available. One is volume, second is his historical Lux Algo smart money concepts, which I am going to open for your information. This indicator helps us to mark the change of characters, break of structures, and other things. This is not our the topic at the moment. We are talking about the RSI. I am closing it. Now, on the downside, we are looking the RSI. As I will tap on this RSI, you are looking RSI 14, close, and I icon, setting icon, and delete icon. This is our RSI indicators setting. Now how I have set the colors and bands of this RSI indicator. Now I will press on the center button, which is the setting button. Now you can see there are three major menus available. One is inputs, second is style, and third is visibility. First of all, we will come in the inputs menu. We don't need to change anything here. The RSI length must be 14. It is by default setting. What is the purpose of this RSI 14 length? This option tells us about the 14 candles average. 14 candles average. The RSI will tell us the 14 candles average momentum. Either it is going to top, or it is going to the bottom side, or it will reverse the trend, or it will continue the trend. This is the default setting. And the second one is source is close. There are so many other options available on this. We can change it to high plus low, high, low, close. These are the candle closing options, high, low, and close options, and any other option if we want to set, but we don't need to change these options. There is another option, smoothing. This option relates about the exponential or simple moving average line, which I will show you later on this video. SMA length of this SMA, simple moving average line, is 14. It means we don't need to change anything here. Now we will move to the style here. When we have come to style, we are seeing that RSI black line is, I have set the black. I am showing you first of all the what are the lines. Now you can see here in the RSI window there are two lines. One is pink line and other is black line. Black line is RSI line, and the pink line is MA line. It means the moving average line. And we are looking three bands. Top band is 70, which is green colored. Second one, this is 50 band, and third one is 30 band. These are the bands which will decide the price later, which I will tell the importance of these bands. Now again move to the settings, and I will continue to tell about the settings how I have set them. RSI, I have set the black colored, and RSI based moving average line, I have set it to the pink color. And now I am telling you the band colors. There is one RSI upper band. I have set the color of this band is green. It means the bullish color. And the value of this band I have set, which is default 70. And the RSI middle band, which is dark gray color, which is the 50 value. And the third one is RSI lower band, which I have set red colored. And one thing I have set I have set RSI background unfilled. You can see here this is the filling and I have unchecked it. If it is filled, now you can see the color of the background RSI color, which is showing RSI background gray color, but I oftenly use the background color white, which tells me the perfect signals to catch my uh, trades and clear picture. So I will again uncheck this option. No any further setting is required here to change my RSI settings. The third one is visibility. This is the visibility. Here I am showing that in which time frames this RSI should appear. I have set or opened all the time frames from 1 second to monthly ranges or yearly ranges. All these settings, once I have set them, I will choose the option set as default. In this way, I will permanently set these settings and will press the OK button as my perfect setting. Now I will change again the RSI background which I had temporarily opened. Now I will press the OK button. Now I'm showing you here how to use it. Now look at this RSI. This is 1 hour time frame. Now here, this situation, now you can see here in the RSI window, whenever the price moves between the 50 band and 70 or above, it is considered as the bullish trend. Whenever price is moving between 50 to 70, it is the bullish trend. And if it moves to the above side, now you can see here the black line is moving above the 70 band, it is the strong bullish trend. If it is a strong bullish trend, we have the opportunity to get the more buy trend after its retest. Now I'm showing you here during the previous price level are here. Now as we got here the overbought situation, it means this was the initial hint that prices will move again to the upside after the retracement. As the price has retraced to the downside at the uh, support level, now the prices are moving to the upside. This is the overbought situation. Here we had previously got the overbought situation on the 12th of December 2025. This was the overbought situation. Now you can see here in the RSI window, this is the overbought situation and the prices was moving to the upside by making the higher highs and higher lows as it came to retrace up to this level. And in the price level you can see this is the support level, and the prices did not move to the 30 band because the prices are being rejected on this support level, and RSI 30 band is not being touched by this black line. It means the sellers are weaker here. Now we will have to decide for the buy trend, not a sell trend. After that, we could catch this move up to this level. Now, let us count the pips of this price from here up to this level. How many pips? Now, let me to check in the measurement tools. Measure. if we sit here to the buy side, from this support level we will get 2067 pips. Oh, it's amazing move we could get. And what is happening here? The price was making the higher highs. Now I'm showing you. Price was making the higher highs, but the RSI was making lower lows. I'm showing you here what is happening. Price was making lower lows. Let me to check again. Price was making higher low and price was making higher high and RSI was making lower highs. It means price has made highs but RSI did not make any high. At that moment, we could catch this sell trend. This is the regular bearish divergence. This is the regular bearish divergence, and we could catch this move from this level to up to downside. You can see here up to this level. And what was there? There was a perfect support level. You can see the price reached up to this amazing level and grabbed the liquidity of the buyers from these levels. These are the stop losses and liquidity which was available. So many buyers were sitting in the market at this level and they could not set any stop loss, or and they did not set their take profit levels and did not book their profits. They could be liquidated. Their stop losses are being cut here. So this is the RSI. We can catch such type of perfect trades. There are two options in this RSI. RSI tells the trend continuation option, and RSI also tells in advance the trend reversals. Now, there is a question when to see the trend reversals and when to see the trend continuations. We have the divergence. There are four types of divergence. One is regular bullish divergence. Regular bullish divergence. In this situation, we will see that market is coming to the sell side, making the lower lows and lower highs. But the RSI will not make any lower low. It will make a high at the support level. I am showing you here the regular bullish divergence. I will move to the tools. Now you can see here the market has created a low at this level. But what the RSI did here, I am showing you at the same exact level, the RSI has not created any low, but it has created a high. It means the RSI is losing the selling pressure here, and it is hinting us, indicating us that we should not consider more sale here. We should think about the buy at this level. Now, what we have to do here, there are three bands which I told earlier in this stream. This is the 30, this is the 50 band, and this is the 70 band. Whenever the price transfers the range, price range up to the 50 level, it is the initial hint that price is now thinking about to move to the upside at this level. Now you can see here when it made a swing high, the black line has been shifted to the 50 level. Above 50 level, it will come for the retracement, and when it came for the retracement, the last low point did not touch at the 30 level. It is the weakness of the sellers. It did not touch on this 30 level, which is made for the sellers. The sellers are available at this level. So we will think about to catch this buy trend. Now, what the other confirmations we have to see over there in the price. Now I'm showing you what are the other confirmation here. Now you can see here there is an order block level available. We will not just rely on the RSI. First of all, we have to see or check the market structure. After that, we will see the RSI level, and another point I see, but I must see the volume confirmation. I'm going to open it. What I see, the volume, whenever price will reach at the support level, the volumes will start to increase. It means high volumes will come. This is the trap of the smart money, that which induce us come and sell more. So here we have to find the high volumes in the very next candle, which is a bullish candle at this order block level. This is the bullish candle. The volume of this candle is not much, but it is trying to break the the last selling candle. Whenever one candle or two bullish candles will break the previous last red candle, that is the valid pullback. Now this is the valid pullback, and at this level we are looking that the price is turning from the RSI level to the upside. And at this level, now you can see here the fourth green candle. Whenever the fourth green candle has closed, the volume of this candle is now increased. It means the smart money has placed so many buy orders here after the closing of this red candle in the Asian or Tokyo session. we can put our buy trades and can get huge profit. You can see here because the RSI volume and market structure has hinted us, given the indication of buy rather than the sell. Now you can see here the result up to this fair value gap level. Now whenever the price has reached up to this FEG, the price started to return back. Now what is over there in the RSI and price? I am showing you the confirmation of the RSI regular bearish divergence. Here I told about the regular bullish divergence. Now I am telling here the regular bearish divergence. First of all, I told about the buy trend. Now the reversal for the sell trend. This was the reversal for the buy trend. Now telling you the importance of the regular bearish divergence, which has given the sell from this level up to this order block and fair value gap level. We must take these order blocks and FEGs in our mind, because the first of all we have to see the market structure. After that we have to see or confirm the RSI and volume confirmations. Now how to mark the regular bearish divergence? Let me to uh, take this tool of trend line. This is the swing. This is the swing, or I can take this swing. Any swing I can take it. Let me to see. I will place this trend line to the upside, which is going to the upward. Now what is happening at the exact level of the RSI? Now I'm showing you here from the same point. Sorry, from this angle. What is happening in the RSI? Price was making the highs, but the RSI is making the lows. In this way we are getting here the regular bearish divergence, which is the reversal sign. It has given the reversal sign for the sell side. And here what we are looking, this is the market opening at the 4 a.m. early in the morning in the Tokyo or Asian session. We can place our sell trade if we are awakened at that time. And look at the volume, what was doing here. At the top swing level, we have got the high selling volume. It is high than the previous green candle volume. We will compare this volume to the previous candle, not the previous so many candles, very previous candle. We will compare. If it is higher than the previous candle's volume, we can rely on this volume and can take the sell trend after the closing of this candle, which was 4 a.m. and it was closed at 5 a.m. According to the Asian countries, we will take this trade up to this fair value gap and order block level. Now let me to count the pips, how many pips we can we could get tools Mayer after the closing of this candle. And what was the stop loss? Stop loss was just 88 pips, and the reward which came here 773 pips we could get after the RSI regular bearish divergence. Now, what has happened here? Now, what to do here? Now, you can see here, whenever prices are coming to the downside and we are looking, RSI is not touching to this 30 band. It means the sellers are weaker. Now, you can see here the structure from this angle. From this angle, you can see the lows are very long lows, but in the RSI, the lows are being made the smaller. It means the RSI is not creating any long lows. It is trying to move slowly and steady to the upside. It is trying to reverse the structure. See this structure carefully. What is doing here the RSI? This is the psychologically, if you see carefully, if you see it perfectly, the RSI is doing the reversal signs. It is not making the long lows, it is making the smaller lows. It means the RSI is telling us the trend reversal signs. It is making small lows. As a result, from that point, it has given us a perfect buy trend. Now, when to sit in a trend? Now, when to sit in a trend? Whenever we see any session, this is the session of NY session, New York session. Now you can see here we have got a perfect bullish hammer candle at this support level and FEG level. Market is making the lower lows, but at this level, at this order block level, it is not making any order block. It has just grabbed the liquidity of previous candles. It is the Asian session liquidity it has taken. After that, it has induced us, after the closing of this green candle, it has created an induced candle to uh, move our mind to the sell side. After the closing of this candle, we have to place the buy trend. Now I am showing you how could we take a perfect divergence in the smaller time frame. Now I am showing you in the 15 minutes time frame. Let me to check either is there any regular bullish divergence or not. Now I will move to the smaller time in the 15 minutes time. Let me to check what was there. Oh, it's a perfect regular bullish divergence. I am showing you here how we can mark it. Market was creating the low, you can see, but the RSI made the high. It is the higher low. You can see the RSI has created the high, price created the low. After getting this regular bullish divergence, we could take this buy trend. Now, when to take this buy trend? As our stop loss should be the smaller. After the closing of this first green candle, we must take this buy trend. So this is the RSI. In this way, we can take so many amazing buy trends or sell trends, reversals, trend continuations, and so many other facilities which are available in this RSI. We could take the benefit of this RSI. So this was my little RSI based live stream. I think you must have learned some information from this my live stream. So see you in the next. Bye bye.